English proficiency is not merely the acquisition of a language. It is a key global skill that unlocks access to knowledge, research, technology, and international opportunities. By empowering our teachers in this critical area, we enable countless students to compete confidently on the global stage while remaining proud and rooted in their own culture and identity. Moreover, this program champions equity, inclusion, and diversity by prioritizing female teachers, minority groups, and educators with disabilities while honoring local languages such as Sindhi and Urdu alongside English. This holistic approach is essential for enhancing learners' outcome and fostering an inclusive, forward-looking education system. The impact of EaSTE-II will extend far beyond teacher development. It is projected to enhance learning outcomes for an estimated 2 million children across public schools in Sindh. This initiative represents not merely an investment in teachers, but in future of our entire province. On behalf of the Government of Sindh, I reaffirm our unwavering commitment to this partnership. We will continue close collaboration with the British Council, the British Government, and our partners to ensure educators are equipped with the knowledge, skill, and resources necessary to deliver high-quality education to every child. I am confident that EaSTE-II will make a meaningful contribution to our broader education reform agenda, especially in strengthening foundational learning and preparing our youth for challenges and opportunities ahead. Before I conclude, let me emphasize a simple yet powerful vision. Every child in Sindh deserves access to quality education, and every teacher deserves the training, support, and respect necessary to providing it. Through our collective efforts, this vision will become a reality.